and we're gonna be restart that. Hi guys, it's Tamara
in lasagna.
We're gonna be making slime. As you can see, we already
made
it kind of, but we're not done because I didn't have enough memory. So
all you need is glue and washing detergent. And as you can see, mine is sticky, but
I'm still mixing mine though. My bowl is like clean, like I just got it.
Like she just washed it with laundry detergent, but it doesn't smell like laundry detergent, but it looks like it. And we should have put some laundry detergent so we can have it like, we can make it like washing. Well,
I'm gonna put mine back in there. It's not done mixing.
When mine get unsticky, I'm just gonna go over it with my hand so it can just all this stuff can just stick on it.
I'm gonna keep mixing it because I know the reason that it's not working. I haven't mixed it too good. So let's just come back to you when it's kind of good. See you later, alligator. I am back in the slime.
We are back in ours. We put some more glue, which now it's not that sticky, but it's still a little sticky.
See guys, it's kind of not sticky. It's kind of not sticking. Mix it.
See guys.
And I really know the reason I'm pausing because I want to save my memory so I can keep making videos for you guys so y'all can keep watching.
We made too many videos that her memory is going down, and she also took pictures and all that stuff.
Me and my mom are picture things. Well, not me, but my mom.
Don't take like 50 pictures a day, like a lot.
Well, my mom will, but I just do Musical.ly.
And then she got a lot of apps like Snapchat and Messenger.
And my Snapchat is Tamora_the_boss.
Please subscribe
and comment
and like this video.
Don't forget to like 20K. I will keep making.
Yes, and tell them about that tablet you're going to be giving out. I mean, not a tablet, the laptop.
Okay, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, brand new tablet, still in the box and everything. Yeah.
We are going to be putting it, we're going to be making a video, like, not unboxing it, but like, we're going to show you guys. We're not going to turn it on, because we want you guys to.
But right now, it's in the box still. Yes.
We just got it like a couple of days ago.
Yeah, like
it just came.
So it's new, honey. It's new.
We have.
I can actually show y'all the box it was in. I think we
used. Ooh, I think they put it in like this shoe box.
I don't know, Capsy.
Yeah, I think they put it in like this shoe box, and it came with boots in it.
But it really wasn't. As a giveaway, I ordered it just to give it away. Look, I didn't even want it. Just wanted to give it away. How am I looking like that?
She's going to get a new one. I mean, not a new one, another one
that I can use.
Yeah, and she's not going to be giving that one away.
I didn't know that you were his. Okay, I'll be right back when I'm done mixing my slime. And now,
guys, I'm adding some more glue.
We're doing this stuff because we're trying to save our memory.
When it goes to 7 minutes, we are going to be done because that's. Please tell me that I just.
She added water in a glue bottle, and now it was liquidy, and she put it in her stuff.
First of all, it's coming back, but not like there's still stuff on my plate. Actually, it's coming back. I just needed some more glue so I can get that stickiness off of it.
Mine's is pretty much good. I do not know why I'm still mixing
More, you walking to school by yourself.
What, next year?
Tomorrow.
Is we going to school tomorrow?
No, they're.
When do we go back to school?
We go back to school next week.
Cause
Oh my.
See what
gosh.
she just did? Be right back. Try to fix it. So don't want to lose my memory. So yeah. Guys, I'm at 5:21.
Guys, we're back and mine is completely finished.
And I'm finishing this video because
I added a little bit more washing detergent, like on this, a little bit on it, and I just put it in there, and it's not sticky no more. So
we couldn't show y'all, but yeah.
yeah, but she needs more, like a little tab of washing detergent, because
We gotta be quiet. My mom is asleep right now. Cause it's
as
11, almost 12 o'clock in the morning.
as you heard me say, her friend is staying with her. Us. I told you it's not. Oh. You
I
only need a
didn't know
little
that you
bit.
was Hispanic. Kachawa, chichichua. I'm just kidding. I can't speak Hispanic.
Mine is officially done. No stickiness, as you can see. Ooh, it's bouncy. And hers like mine. I have to.
So make sure you subscribe and comment and hit that
Is that the
thumbs
goal
up
off?
button down below. Love you guys.